Good afternoon. One of the beauties of using a fountain pen is you're really not limited to black or blue or possibly red ink. The inks that are available are literally in the hundreds. The company I buy ink from, they actually stock over 800 different types of ink. The choices are almost endless. But let me walk through real quick the options of fountain pen ink. Now basically, you have two options. You can buy an ink cartridge, and these are predominantly available only in blue and black, and there's multiple manufacturers, each one's a little bit differently, but they're all basically the same. So when you ink your fountain pen, okay, this one's going to have a pump in it, which is my preferred method, but you take your cartridge, it clicks in, put your pen back together, good to go. And there's absolutely nothing in the world wrong with that. It's convenient. You can buy these cartridges in bulk. It's quick, but again, you're limiting yourself to two basic colors. The beauty of bottled ink is the vast array of types, colors. You have inks that fade in, out, even have inks that have glitter in them. You have every color imaginable. It's just almost endless. And my manufacturer, my supplier, will actually sell samples, so you don't have to buy a complete bottle. You can buy just a little bit, that's enough for a couple of fills, get the feel for it, see how you like it, see how it works in your pen, works on your paper, and then decide if you would like a larger bottle or try more samples and play around with it. But like I say, the beauty of fountain pens is you're not limited to one color. You get a pen you like, you invest it in it. You can change colors out every day if you wanted to. It's very, very easy to rinse them out and replace the color. Now, with the pump, which, little side note, every pen I sell with a fountain pen will come with a pump, so you always have the option of bottled ink. Two ways of filling this. It's just a little plunger. You can actually go directly to the bottle, which starting out would probably be the way you do it. But you can actually dip the pump in and draw your ink up. And then take that cartridge or the ink plunger and plug it into your pen. The only downside to that is you have this area here and the nib that will hold ink that you're not going to fill that way. You actually have to prime it a little bit, and you're not going to get a complete fill, 6 1/2. My preferred method is I will actually take the nib, place it in the bottle, and draw my ink up. And then you just take a towel and wipe off excess. And you're done. That's all it takes. Anyway, that is how you fill a fountain pen. Only takes a couple of seconds and you're done. Hope this helps.